Hey PropTalk readers, so I'm pretty excited because earlier this summer I just bought my first boat. So it's a 2019 Bayliner Element E18 with a 90 horsepower Mercury Outboard. Today I'm going to show you some of the features of this boat and why I love it. My name is Kaylie Jasinski. Thank you for watching this special video from PropTalk Magazine. So one of the things I love about this boat is that it's easy to handle in and out of the water. It weighs roughly 2,000 pounds, so you don't need a super heavy duty vehicle to tow it, which is pretty cool. So I will admit it has taken a lot of practice to actually trailer this boat and back it down the ramp, but each time it gets a little bit easier. And the main thing is just to stay patient and get everything on the boat ready beforehand so you don't hold up the ramp. So why did I choose this model of boat specifically? I really like the design of little bow riders and runabouts, and Bayliners are known for being great starter boats, both for their ease of use and their affordable price point. I also just think it's really fun to drive. This boat features Bayliner's signature M-Hull foundation, which unique design creates a running surface that is exceptionally stable, both while at cruising speed and while at idle. It is also predictable and easy to maneuver. So now we're going to talk about performance. It's a good day to go fast. With a 90 horsepower Merc, I can typically get this boat up to 35 miles per hour, but 20 to 30 is a more comfortable cruising speed depending on sea conditions. This boat is great for a lot of the things I like to do regularly around the bay. Case in point, I can get into shallow areas to fish, and if I remove this bow cushion, I even have a little forward casting deck. For an 18-footer, I am always amazed at just how spacious this boat feels. There is ample seating and max capacity is 9 people. There is storage under each seat compartment. So we have 3 at the bow. One of them is the dedicated anchor storage. We have 3 in the cockpit. Again, each seat is going to open up and give you storage right there. And we have 2 large storage spaces at the stern of the boat. On the port side, it houses the 12-gallon fuel tank. At the helm, I have the sports steering wheel. I have a control panel with toggle switches for my accessories, so nav lights, bilge pump, the horn. I also have a speedometer and a depth reader. So at the helm, I also recently installed this 6-inch Garmin EchoMap chart plotter fish finder combo, which I've been using around the bay this summer. And I also have Navionics on my phone as a backup. Another feature of this boat that I really love is the bimini top, which is great for those hot sunny days, and then when it's not in use, it easily stores out of the way. At the stern, we have this very nice water sports ski tow pylon, and you might notice, because this was a used boat, the previous owners actually crafted their own DIY solution because this boat does not come standard with any rod holders. I've left it as is for now, but over the winter I plan to craft a more permanent solution so I can go fishing all over the Chesapeake. Another thing I love about this boat is that I can zip over to some of my favorite local dock bars in Middle River, and docking is a breeze.
I also love spending the day at Miller Island State Park. It's a great spot to raft up, rent bikes, and even camp on the beach. On a summer weekend, you'll find hundreds of boats anchored just offshore. Lucky for me, I can come right into the beach.
Buying a boat is such a personal and stressful decision, but as soon as I saw this boat, I knew it was the right one for me because it was the right price, the right style, and I knew I couldn't go wrong buying from a reputable dealer like Riverside Marine. I bought this boat used, and I chose to finance it through Riverside Marine in order to get a better interest rate. But I also had to factor in the cost of insurance, a Towboat US plan, which I highly recommend, as well as regular seasonal operating costs and marina fees. I am loving my new-to-me boat and am taking every chance I can to get out on the water before it's time for winterization. Thank you for watching this special video from PropTalk Magazine. If you want to see more boat reviews, check out our YouTube channel and proptalk.com.
Don't miss another PropTalk video. Subscribe to our channel today.